Today we're having an official debate on what the best snack is.
Bro, it's Pringles.
Nah, Twinkies are better.
Guys, double stuffed Oreos are the best of all time.
Bro, Oreos are only good with milk.
Nah, they actually taste pretty good with water.
Obama, what are you talking about? Also, Twinkies are better.
Twinkies are atrocious.
Yeah, they're super slimy and taste extremely artificial.
Yeah, but they never expire.
Okay, who cares? If we're ranking these on taste, then Twinkies come in dead last.
And then double stuffed Oreos come first because they taste the best here.
We need to talk about diversity because there's 171 Pringle flavors.
Yeah, but there's 193 Oreo flavors.
Oh, crap.
Guys, there's no point in having that many flavors if they all taste terrible.
That point doesn't matter because almost all the flavors taste good.
Okay, then let's talk about the nutritional value.
No way you're trying to make this point.
The amount of calories in 2 Oreos is the same amount of calories as 1 Twinkie.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Okay, I won this debate. Obama out.